back again, another video in our Detroit Club Style Ballroom Series 101 or Urban Ballroom 101. These are some concept videos to help take your dance game up to the next level. Yes. This video is a video that y'all been waiting for. This video is the one about turns, because the turn really makes the dance look special. And so it's going to be about turns and body positioning, because you can't do good turns if you have bad body positioning. So we're going to show you some of our turns, and we're going to show them from a couple different angles so you can see how the bodies are positioned and lined up doing the turn. So when we started with our half turn with our first turn. So we're going to start with our right leg back, and we're going to do our half turn. You ready? Half turn. 1, 2, 3. Left half turn. 1, 2, 3. Right half turn. 1, 2, 3. Left half turn. 1, 2, 3. Right. So the 1, 2, 3. Left. 1, 2, 3. Right. Full turn. 1, 2, 3. Left half turn. 1, 2, 3. Right. So I'm about to change positions so you can see what it looks like from the off angle, because you can't really appreciate it from this way. You can just see that we did the turns. So important things with the turns. If I'm leading down low, they're going to have turn.
1, 2, 3.
Right. 1, 2, 3. Left.
1, 2, 3.
If I lead it low, they have turn.
1, 2, 3. Left.
And low, they have turn.
1, 2, 3. Right.
Low, have turn.
1, 2, 3. Left.
Low, they're going to have turn.
1, 2, 3. Right.
Low, they're going to have turn.
1, 2, 3. Left.
Low, they're going to have
1,
turn.
2, 3.
Now, let me show you what it looks like from this position, because this is the important position. So when we're lined up, people want to think that we're dancing like this, right in front of each other. That's wrong. What it actually looks like is we're like this. So if you were actually looking from this angle, what you would see is that, hey, you can see me. And if we switch positions, guess what? You can see the follower now. Because as we dance, the follower's lane should be made available to them. We dance as leaders around the lane. So they have turn. I'm walking around the lane. I position myself in such a way that their lane is cleared and open to them. So it looks smooth because they're coming down the lane. And I just go around the lane, and I position myself to make sure their lane is available. And when I turn them, you can see me the whole time. I turn them, you can see them the whole time. Turn. I'm never blocking their lane, so when it's time for them to move, woo, look at that. Clear lane. Woo! Clear lane. Body position. Now, as we're doing turns, the next turn, I'm going to have the follower count this time as we do the turns. The next turn is the travel turn. We did the half turn, we did the full turn, so we're going to add the travel turn. And some people call it a double spin or a double turn, but really and truly, it's a turn and a half, so I'm going to call it travel. Because later on, there is going to be a time when I want to go 1, 2, that's a double turn. 2 turns, double. What I'm talking about now is the travel turn. 1, 2, 3, left. So that is 1.5. They were facing one way, now they're facing the other way. Why?
1, 2, 3. Step right.
So now as we go, you'll see our count. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1 through T, step right. Still works.
1, 2, 3. Step left. 1, 2, 3. Step right. 1, 2, 3. Step left. 1, 2, 3. Step right. 1, 2, 3. Step left. 1, 2, 3. Step right.
Full turn.
1, 2, 3. Step left.
Half turn.
1, 2, 3. Step right.
Travel turn.
1, 2, 3. Step left.
Half turn.
1, 2, 3. Step right.
Full turn.
1, 2, 3. Step left.
Half turn.
1, 2, 3. Step right.
Warm them up.
2, 3. Step left.
1, 2, 3, step right. So as you see, what happens, 1, 2, and pause. I raise their hand up so they know we're about to do a turn that's going to require them to go more than once around. But because I'm doing what they call a travel turn, I'm going to pull them so they start traveling, and then
left,
as I pull them, I turn them. And I'm going to turn them, bring the follower around, because again, you're going to see, I've gotten out their lane, I'm out of their way. I brought their hand up to let them know we're about to do a turn that's going to require you to go around more than once. And then I pull them and turn. And then I'm going to get over it, cross their lane and get out the way. Good body positioning. And
1, 2, 3, step right.
turn them.
1, 2, 3, step
Okay, I'm about to set myself up.
1, 2, 3, step
Here we go. Travel turn.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Half turn.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Travel turn.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Come on back.
1, 2, 3, step right. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right.
1, 2, 3. So we're going to ballroom up. Now I'm going to show it to you with the right hand, because in the original video, I did all the moves from the right hand.
1, 2, 3, step right.
So I'm going to send them out.
1, 2, 3, step left.
I'm going to pass by,
1, 2, 3, step
cross
right.
over, travel
1, 2,
turn.
3, step left.
Pass by,
1, 2, 3, step right.
travel turn.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Pass by,
1, 2, 3, step right.
travel turn.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Bring them home.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Now, she can turn. Please don't do that with your regular people. They get mad if they turn so much, they start to get dizzy. Tanya here just has to be very good at turning. And so she turn. So, but we want to make sure you give the person who's following a break. So they should not be like turning all the time. Now, whatever we can do from one hand with one hand, we can do with the other hand. For now, I'm just leading everything with the right, but later on, what you're going to see is, just like I do the travel turn with the right, 1, 2, 3, step left. I can do it with the left also.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Right,
1, 2, 3, step left.
left.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Half turn,
1, 2, 3, step left.
travel turn.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Half turn,
1, 2, 3, step left.
travel turn.
1, 2, 3, step
So
right.
you can do it with both
1, 2,
hands.
3, step left.
I'm just doing it with my right hand,
1, 2, 3, step right.
just because when we started the video, I did everything with the right hand
1, 2, 3,
to
step
keep it
right.
easy.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Bring them home.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Half turn together.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Half turn together.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Send them out.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Pass under.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Travel turn.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Pass by.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Travel turn.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Bring them home.
1, 2, 3, step right.
All right hand. So you can do it with the right hand. So that's turns. I'm going to give you another turn. This turn is called the hip spin. And what it is a travel turn led from the hip. And so what it looks like is this.
2, 3, step left.
Bring home.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Hip spin.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Pass by.
1, 2, 3, step
Hip
right.
spin.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Pass by.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Hip spin.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Bring them home.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Hip spin.
1, 2, 3, step left.
I'm going to do it from this angle so you can see it from the side so you can see it. Thank you. You're wonderful with the counting. So here we go. We're going to
1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right.
ball them up.
1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step
Hip
right.
spin.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Pass by.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Hip spin.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Pass by.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Hip spin.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Pass under.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Hip spin.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Pass by.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Hip spin.
1, 2,
I'm sorry, travel turn. My bad. I was happy with the hip
1, 2,
spin.
3,
Bring them
step.
home. Half turn
1,
together.
2, 3, step left.
Half turn together.
1, 2, 3, step
But
right.
there you go. So I got one more version of the turn to give you. It's also a travel turn. So we're going to ball them up. And I'm going to do it this way. Then I'm going to turn around and do it the other way so you can see it from both angles. 5, 6, ball them up. 1, 2, 3, step left.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Send them out.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Pass by.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Full turn.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Pass by.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Full turn.
1, 2, 3, step
We're
left.
going to push.
1, 2, 3, step right.
That's a travel turn. So they're going around and back. We call this turnstile. Turnstile.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Travel turn.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Turnstile.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Travel turn.
1, 2, 3, step too wild now.
So as you see, they can turn, but even they got their limits. But basically, the turnstile We're going to face it so you can see it this way. What happens is I've turned them,
1, 2, 3.
and I got them in position, and what I'm doing is they're coming by, I lead it like I'm leading a half turn, and then as they step, I push like a turnstile in the subway, or a turnstile, usually I see it in the subway system, or some of the bus things, or sometimes at an airport, you know. Now, hopefully you're as old as I am, so you understand what a turnstile was. They didn't have all the digital fancy open closing things like this. Back in the day, you had to push to go through an account room, a little turnstile. And so the motion is kind of sort of the same. As I go, I'm pushing, I push through, and as they walk, the push gives them the momentum they need to finish the turn. So I'm pushing to make them go through the turnstile. So I push, it gives them the momentum they need to finish that travel turn. That's also a travel turn. There are a bunch more terms that we could go through, but those, you know, are the ones that are really, really the mainstay that you'll see most people doing. They're going to do travel turns. They're going to do hip turns. Oh, got one more travel. Looks slightly different. So I'm gonna just bring my partner to my side. We're going to start off, and it's called a left side travel turn. It's not quite the same, so I'm going to demonstrate from both angles so you can see it. So 5, 6.
Left.
There we go. I thought
right.
the sound was broken there for a second.
Step left. 1, 2, 3, step
Send them out.
1, 2, 3, step
Left side travel.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Travel turn.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Left side travel.
1, 2, 3, step right.
And the reason I'm calling it left side travel is because they're kicking back and around as they go. And so instead of coming down the lane, it's like they're going back
2, 3, step.
and around.
1, 2, 3, step.
Back
1, 2, 3,
and
step.
around. I'm going to do it from this side so you can see it from this angle. So I'm going to send them out, and then after I send them out, we're going to do left side travel.
1, 2,
3
3,
steps
step left. 1, 2, 3, step right.
Send them out.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Left side travel.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Right, regular travel.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Left side travel.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Travel.
1, 2, 3, step
Now
left.
some people be fancy
One,
and
two,
do it like
three, step
that, and then
1, 2, 3, step left.
roll them into regular travel without moving. Thank you for doing it. But that's like extra advanced and fancy stuff. But the left side travel coming around, you know, basically towards their left is the other variation. So that's a left side
1,
travel,
2, 3, step right.
right side travel,
1, 2, 3, step left.
left side
1,
travel,
2, 3, step right.
regular
1,
travel.
2, 3, step left.
Thank you. We're going to come this way one more time. So I want you to see when I start the left side travel, I'm away. They have a clear lane. So when they go, they're rolling around to their left.
Right.
I cross the lane and get out the way for good body position. Regular travel.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Cross the lane. Left side
1, 2,
travel.
3, step right.
Hip spin.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Turnstile.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Hip spin.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Regular one. That's what you need fancy. But we'll do the high spin out and the low spin out in another video. But that covers the majority of the turns that you were going to see. We did full turns, and there's other variations we can do full turns. That'll be another video. But for the mainstay, we did the half turn, we did the, you know, full turn, but the travel turn and the left side travel basically gives you the building blocks for all the fancy stuff. After that, we got continuous turns.